guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. So today I need to do a new dip powder set on my right hand nails, and I have a Rossi Nails mystery box to open up and review. I haven't opened it up actually yet, so I don't know what are the colors inside. So that's what we're going to do in this video, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, so let's open this up. It looks like we have a little container of blue glitter dip powder. This is called Mermaid. This is a beautiful blue glitter dip powder. This looks really fun. This color looks like it'd be perfect for summer. Next, it looks like we have the Rossi's Essential Kit. So these bottles are a bit smaller than the bigger full-size ones, and that is the same with this jar. But what's cool about this little kit is that it gives you everything you need to do a dip powder mani. So I am super excited to try out this color. So yeah, let's get into it. So to prep my nails for this mani, I'm going to grab my Instant Cuticle Remover by Sally Hansen and just apply this to the skin around the nails, and then use a little wood stick to scrape off any dead skin. I've already shortened and shaped the nails to my desired shape. Alright, so after that I wash my hands and I'll give the nails a light buff. Alright, I'm going to give the powder a quick stir. And since this container is a bit on the small side and my nails are kind of long, I did put a paper down here to catch any dip powder that spills out. So we are ready to begin. I'm going to grab the base coat and apply it about 3/4 of the way up the nail. And then dip into the powder. The powder is coming out sheer on the first coat, so I'll probably do 2 or maybe even 3 coats. For the second coat, I'm going to apply the base all the way up to the cuticle area. So after that second coat, I still do see a little bit of patchiness and spots I missed, so I'm just going to go in for a third and final coat. And I just love the little hexagon holographic letters throughout the dip powder mix. I think they really add a super pretty element. After that, I was happy with the result. This color kind of reminds me of a swimming pool. Next, I'm going to grab the activator and apply this liberally to all the nails. What this will do is soak through and harden all the layers of dip powder together. Next, I'm going to grab a file and shape these nails down a little bit. Alright, so I finished filing over the nails. Now I'm going to grab the activator again and then just apply that over all the nails. After that, I'm going to grab the top coat and apply one thin coat to all the nails. But I thought I'd elaborate a little bit on the nautical theme of these nails. So I was looking to see if I had any like sea stars or something. I do have these little flowers. I thought they kind of look like sea stars, so maybe these can do. So once the first coat has dried, on the thumb I'm just going to apply that second coat of top coat for added shine. And then I'm just going to sneak this little guy into the corner here, place it in the wet top coat. The pointer nail, then the middle nail. On the ring nail, I'm going to add another rhinestone for an accent. I have not ever tried attaching rhinestones with the dip powder top coat before, so I'm curious to see how long these will last. And then finally the pinky. I love how glossy this top coat is, just look at that. Finally, I'm going to grab my trusty jojoba oil and apply this to all of the nails, especially after I had used acetone to soak off the dip powder previously before this. So this is how the mani turned out. I really love the color mermaid that came in my mystery box. It honestly blew me away. It is so striking and dimensional, and it really does remind me of a swimming pool. I think this is just perfect for any kind of summer mani, and you can easily decorate it with any kinds of rhinestones or nail art you would like. Dip powder is among my favorite products to use for nails, and I do have a whole playlist, you can find that in the upper right corner of your screen, of me doing videos and tutorials and trying out different brands of dip powder and doing all kinds of fun manis with them. So I hope you'll check that out if you're interested. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I upload videos every Wednesday. If you're interested in this kit or anything else from Rossi, I'll have all the links below in my description. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I want to thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I really hope you enjoyed. Comment below what you think of this mani, and have a magical day.